Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make Google Chrome your default browser. So first you're just going to select these three lines up here and go to settings. Then you are just going to select default browser, make Google Chrome the default browser, and press make default. So you're actually going to go to settings, and as you can see, Firefox is the default web browser, and you can just click Google Chrome, and then Google Chrome will be your default browser. So when you download from other apps or something like that, for instance from like Discord, it'll go to like a link and it'll download from the default browser, and now Google Chrome is your default browser. So that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!